Welcome trend jumper reversal traders. We're going to take a look at Metatrader 4, and for those few of you that might have a 4-digit broker. Most brokers with Metatrader 4 are 5-digit. If you're not sure, you can call them, you can ask them, but I'll show you. We provided a default template and there's 3 settings that change. So let's quickly take a look. I'll actually show you this Euro-Yen 60-minute plan. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the JPEG. This is for a 5-digit broker. There's only 3 things that are going to change. I01, your entry offset. 20 is written for a 5-digit. It's 2 pips above the high or low. So you'll take off a 0. You'll take off a 0 on the stop offset ticks. Set it to 32. Again, this is if you're a 4-digit broker. And finally, the last one is I45, minimum spread ticks. You'll make that a 10 as opposed to 100. Those are the 3 changes you're going to do. Now, I'll also show you how you can look and see if you are a 4-digit broker. Again, note that the offset ticks is 20 or 2 pips. Let's go to a chart and let's look at a data window. If you're not sure how to open a data window, you come up here at this icon, data window, or you go to view and data window. Alright, let's take a look at this. Let's click on a setup. To freeze the mouse, it tracks wherever you're putting this. Put it over setup and hit the Alt key. That will freeze the data window as long as you don't click your mouse. So looking at this setup, the high of the candle is 18.7, and again, if I'm seeing 3 digits here, or I'm seeing 3 digits on the side of the chart, then I know that I'm probably looking at a 5-digit broker. Where is the entry? The entry is at 20.7. So is that 2 pips above the high of this candle? 18.7 plus 2, you've got a 5-digit broker. Let's say you load the 4-digit broker template on here. Right click, I load them both in here. I'm going to select the reversal 4-digit. Now let's pull up a data window and let's look at the same setup. Alright, the entry or the high of the candle is 18.7, hasn't changed, but the entry is 18.9. That's 0.2 of a pip. So therefore, you know that you have a 5-digit broker, but you've loaded a 4-digit plan. So that's how you know. Just note what the entry is. Usually on most plans it's 2 pips above the high or low. So make sure your calculator is giving you 2 pips above the high or the low. Alright, so I'm going to put the default calculator back on here. If I want to turn this into the EJ, right click and indicators list. I'll select the reversal calculator and I'll edit it. And again, the inputs, I'm just going to make these match up with the JPEG that we had on the other site. That's all you have to do to load the trade plan. Okay, and again, I can just make this match up. And again, I'm planning on a 5-digit broker, but again, I've told you what to do. Just take off a 0 off of this field, and down here at I45. Min spread ticks. Okay, so I'm going to start from the bottom up. Min spread ticks 0, 10, 10. I'm going to make the percent of space a 147. 147. I'm going to make the slow EMA is 106. I'm going to make the fast EMA 23. Then we'll do our targets. The jump lines, we have a 7 and a 1. And the target 8.7. And a 7 and a 2. Okay, so now again, this, I need the offset ticks, 320. Alright, this is geared for a 5-digit. Again, you know what to do if you're a 4-digit broker. But I've got all the settings that match up. I've just created a this trade plan calculator. So what am I going to do? I'm going to save this template. Right click on the chart, template, and I will save the template. I will give it a unique name, the TJ reversal EJ 1 hour. So now anytime I want to load that on the chart, I'll have it, and it's all set for the, I've got the entry, the high is at 81 and my entry is at 83. That's 2 pips. Yeah, perfect. So nice trade there, did very well. Again, you won't get as many trades on the reversal setup, but the ones that you do will almost always win. Good trading. Hope that helped.